How to fix charging not available liquid has been detected on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you're frequently getting charging not available liquid has been detected error, then don't worry. Here in this video I'll show you two different easy ways of how you can fix the problem. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so this error commonly appears when your iPhone is actually detect liquid in the charging port or adapter. So before you go through any process, make sure to take out your charging port and the adapter. If you have a stock of liquid in the charging port or adapter, it might have this problem. So all you can do, you can take a soft cloth or a brush, then you can gently clean the charging port as well as your lightning cable, and keep your iPhone to a dry place for 5 to 10 minutes, and right after that try charging your iPhone again. But after doing this process, if you find that you're still having the problem, then follow the next process. Open up a browser from your iPhone and simply go ahead and search for water ejector. Once you have searched for water eject shortcut, you just need to search with this one and he'll get you the water eject shortcut. You just need to tap on this one and tap on get shortcut and set up this shortcut to your shortcut application. Once the shortcut has been added, you just need to tap on water eject and you just need to tap on start, and you can go through this process, select the 1 and 2nd and the 3rd, and this will actually take some time and it will vibrate your iPhone and try to eject the liquid from your iPhone. And once you do that, you can actually force restart your iPhone. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear. So once you have forced restart your iPhone, most likely your problem is going to be solved and your iPhone will start charging. Hope one of this process will fix your problem, but if in any case if you're still having the problem, then it might be a hardware issue. The liquid can be detected inside your iPhone, so as soon as possible you just contact with the Apple Care in order to get further assistance. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.